Hello and welcome to this introduction video on the PLUS+1 Development and Training Kit. There are two different kits used for training in Danfoss PLUS+1 Guide and Service Tool. PLUS+1 Training Kit T1. This kit is used in the PLUS+1 Guide programming trainings held by Danfoss. The kit contains in total 10 PCS of T1 kits and are suited for in-person instructor-led trainings. PLUS+1 Development Kit. This kit is an extended training kit that can be ordered from Danfoss. The kit is suited to use together with the self-paced PLUS+1 Guide e-learning. It's an alternative to the virtual breakout board functionality used in the e-learning. PLUS+1 Training Kit T1. Each kit consists of 1 PCS of T1 breakout box, 1 PCS of power supply 12 volt or 24 volt. 1 PCS of DM430E, model can vary. 1 PCS of USB DM430E cable to enable program loading and debugging. The kits are stored in one larger hour bag for transportation. All parts of the PLUS+1 Guide trainings can be done by using this kit. The DM430 can represent both a programmable controller as well as a display. CAN bus communication is demonstrated by connecting two kits together. The breakout box inputs are here to simulate analog inputs and digital inputs. Outputs are not physical available. Instead, the outputs are simulated graphically in the example application. PWR supply and ground connectors can be used to extend the training kit by another display or controller. Then the CAN bus connectors can preferably be used to link also the devices together over CAN. PLUS+1 Development Kit. Each kit is mounted in an hour box and consists of 1 PCS of DM430E, 4.3-inch programmable display, 1 PCS of JS1, HPV, programmable joystick, 1 PCS of CS10, for program loading and debugging, 1 PCS of power supply 24 volt, 1 PCS of LINAC LA14 actuator, power, GND and CAN bus connector for extension with more CAN units, 1 analog and 1 digital input, 1 sub for connecting optional CG150. All moments in the PLUS+1 Guide trainings can be done by this kit. As the PLUS+1 Development Kit is a superset of the T1 Training Kit, it has the same functions as the T1 kit. However, the second pot and switch are not available. The LINAC actuator is mounted under the front plate of the kit and the rod is connected to a needle that can move over the scale. The CS10 is also mounted under the plate. Just to the right of the CS10 and under the plate there is a small reset button mounted, that makes it possible to rest the CS10 if needed. The reset function is dependent on the software loaded to the CS10. The buttons used for the example program are pointed out in the picture. Please see the example program for more details. With this introduction, let's start and open up the PLUS+1 Development Kit. You find the link to the PLUS+1 Software site on the front plate.